Hey everybody, it is Mr. Foley here, and I hope you're doing fantastic. We're looking at day 2, September 2nd. So here's what we have on the docket for today. Number 1, finish the notes through page 3, the online notes. Use video lecture 1 to gain the information for that. So here is linked video lecture 1, or you can always look at the PowerPoint too. The notes, as you know, are in Google Classroom, and they are right here. Boom. So you'll open those up. I have them open right here. And you are working on the first part, work on pages 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we'll start with that. After you finish those 3 pages of notes with the video, I think the video is about 24 minutes, you can work on completing the plus and minus government types worksheet. That'll be due on Thursday. So that also is in Google Classroom, if you see right here, plus and minus government types. It's all set to go for you. And let's take a look at that. All right, first thing you do for each type of government, tell me what's an advantage of this type of government and a disadvantage. I know it's sometimes hard to find advantages. For example, dictatorship, one person with complete control. It doesn't seem like there's any real advantages if they can rule however they want. Well, one advantage is they can make quick decisions. In a democracy, it takes a long time to make decisions because people have to vote and choose what they want, representatives, things like that. And dictatorship, it's one person. So that would be an advantage. So do your best with coming up with advantages and disadvantages. And then on the bottom, number 1, tell me which of these governments do you think is the best? And give me 3 reasons for that. Next, which one do you think is the most dangerous? And 3 reasons for that below. And lastly, give this a shot. If you're wrong, it's okay. From the 1940s to 1990, the United States was fighting against the expansion of communism. Why did many Americans in our government have such great fear over communism? So if you look at communism, it's this idea that the government controls all land and industry. There's no private property, and they're in charge of your pay, where you work, your housing, all that. So why would Americans be fearful of that? That's what you need to do there. Okay, the last thing is fill in the preamble section of your notes. And you're going to use video lecture 2, which is right here for that. So if we look at the notes again, I think this is the one. Yep. The second video will go over this, foundations and beliefs about government. And then you have this preamble section. Now, if we open the video, part 2, well, that didn't open the video. All right, I need to get the right link for the video. Sorry, that link will work when you get it. But when you open the video, it's also in this section right here. Part 2 is 14 minutes. You will see.
Hello, everybody. Today we are going to look at part.
So I'll go forward a little bit.
To define for...
So you'll see, like, it'll say establish justice, just like your note says. And then
justice is a concept,
if you go forward,
an invention of the human mind. Like other concepts,
I just read through the document and then I give you what you can write in there. So pretty straightforward, pretty easy. So if you have any questions, let me know. In the end, you're going to fill in your notes all the way through the preamble section, and you will work on and complete the plus and minus government types, advantages, disadvantages. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. I can help you out however possible, or we can set up a meeting for a video chat or for a phone call, and we'll go from there. I hope you all have a good day. Talk to you later.